mala ama-party agent.
Okay.
Ikuyaveza elinye ipoint elipowerful lokuthi i-EFF yaphuma number 3. I-IFP yaphuma number 2. Kodwa ngokuyinamba i-EFF yayo number 2. Ngenxa yokuthi ama-party agent ayo yabo kukhona la asilela khona yagcina
ishayekile.
Yeah, so nathi ke so ngiyafuna ukuxhumanisa nayo angazi ngenza kanjani kodwa le ama-party agent engathi singayenza private ukuze singavusi ondaba kayikhonjwa kumele bahlale bengazi bese bawuclever bona bayazi bona abantu bebile bahlakaniphila ngithi
yes
bayeke bangafundi kuthina ngoba manje siyabafundisa nababona ukuthi oh kanti khasa silimala yayibo abalimale kanjalo kodwa ngiyafuna senze uhlelo ukuthi nje ma-party agent ethu uniwafundise nje kama mhlambe iZoom noma kodwa ngiyafuna mayenzeke ukuze singashayeki.
Uba lona ngoba phela vese uma ngabe silana vese nje abantu la kube u219 nje akuwona umkhonto kuphela lo la kukhona nabo laba abakwagogo balalele bayasirecorda bazosenda somewhere bese bewezwa amazwi ethu hawu ya uwe lo ya kona lento ama-party agents as a former presiding officer ngike ngabona amaningi ama-party agent elala ugcine secompromiseka amaqembu awo ngoba yabona ngalesikhathi se-counting wena babukhoma in most cases abantu sebekhathele because i-counting iqala earliest kuyaye kube u10 ebusuku yabona nje iqala ngo10 ebusuku ukukhathele wonke umuntu ukhathele presiding officer kukhathele i-IEC staff ukhathele wawona ama-party agents so lapho uma ngabe engekho klele engavukile kuningi okurongi okwenzakalayo angisho ukuthi ngaye ngenza
kumele
hayi angibonge mfethu mina ngozwa ngawe.
Okay, danke qhawu namandla.
Kodwa uma buzongithinta ngocingo uqale engathi ungaqala ungisendela WhatsApp uthi imina lo ukhomo ngoba ezinye angiyibambi.
Hayi kuleka ku WhatsApp.
All right ke sure.
Okay, danke bo.
Danke.
Yebo Mkabateli.
Yebo babukhomo njani?
Siyaphila Mkabateli.
Ngibingelele nje wonke umuntu okhona la ku live. Umusa ngathi udinga ukufundiseka ngathi akanakho ukufundiseka enough. Ungiphe nje iwari kakhulu mephuma ngoba kuningi besazombonisa khona yabona. Ngoba into walisiyabekwa eParliament ngeningi. Leyo nto isaphikiswa leyo nto leyo izohlala injalo.
Noma kuthiwa kanjani?
Ngikhumbula kahle nje sakhumbula bekubekwa uphi umthetho lapho ke lo mthetho lo namanje usayishawa lo mthetho lo la eMzansi usekhona lo mthetho lo kukhona uZuma namanje usekhona lo mthetho manje mawungabuyela uZuma futhi eParliament eku MK singahlulwa yini futhi ukufaka omunye umthetho futhi uvunywe yayibona singahlulwa yini
injalo
so umusa udinga kakhulu ukuthi afundiseke and then sengasho nje lokugcina ngithi abantu mabangalahli ithemba babambelele ku MK ilona themba lethu lokugcina manje ngoba uMandela washo uma sephumile elejele sezophatha washo ukuthi the struggle is not over. The struggle asikapheli so umuntu omnyama especially kwamele izinto zethu zibuyele ngakuthina. Otherwise shuthi isizwe sethu sizohlupheka impela kuyoze kube ngona phakade. Abantu nje mabawubamba umkhonto bawuqinise. Ngiyabonga babukhona.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mkabateli. Siyabonga nje kakhulu. Chichiza. Awona namandla. Class ngiyayivula imakhi yakho avela valele. Class.
Okay, ngiyazwakala manje?
Yeah, uyezwakala baba.
Okay, ngiyabonga baba ithuba ngibingelele kuwe njengomphathi lana, ngiphinde ngibingelele kumaqabane wonke umkhonto. Cha impela ngiyayizwa lensizwa le umusa baningi kodwa abantu abacabanga njengaye engicabanga ukuthi badinga ukufundiseka while sifundisa bona bese siboso sinikeza ithemba nehope nesiqinisekiso kubantu bethu be-MK ukuthi lento ka-2/3 majority sisebenzelayo what is the objective yakhona and we should take ama-opportunities anje ukuthi si-educate as well singabi frustrated same like we've done with those people ababuza ukuthi uZuma wayewu-president for 9 years yini lento athi uzoyenza ahluleke ukuyenza asuzoyenza manje we take those opportunities to educate abantu ngepolitiki ukuthi umehluko kwakuwuphi ngalesa sikhathi muqhathanisa naloko kwamanje but ke just to come back to this point ngibonge abafowethu laba abathathu including now yourself babkhomo senishayile la kulento kodwa just a point engifuna uku-emphasize ukuthi if bangathatha ilokhuzane any change that we propose with constitution bayise ku-constitutional court now i-duty yelokhuzane ye-constitutional court akukona ukudecide ukuthi what goes into or out of i-constitution i-duty ye-constitutional court is to interpret what is there ingakho sina lento ebizwa ngokuthi i-separation of powers separation of powers addresses that very thing abeyisho ukuthi no nina nizothi niyashintsha la umuntu ahamba ecourt afika challenge ayivimbe leyo nto leyo so it's important to understand that the separation of powers i-duty yama-judge constitutional court is not to decide what goes into or out of the constitution but it is to interpret what is put there by in national legislature iyona kuphela ekwazi ukufaka ukwenza ama-changes elokhuzana so that is very important to understand so as abantu be-MK let's push this thing yethu ya-2/3 because siyayazi ukuthi izos-achivelana the very thing that we want yokukhulula umuntu omnyama yokunikeza i-dignity umuntu omnyama angifuni nje ukwanda kakhulu ngamagama iloko nje bengifuna uku-emphasize ngibonge lama-point eseniwenzile nina bafowethu abanye asiqhubekeni nomzabalazo ka-2/3 majority angibambe lapho kwamanje ngiyabonga
siyabonga kakhulu xa unamandla kunjalo nje mfokakithi hayi manje asivinjwa manje siyaphambili ake sifake lapho kulokhunjana umqeko SK awunamandla
Manibulise babkhoma
molweni njani baba
siyaphila tata Khonto njani
hayi kuhle khona le ima khona le ithi ngambe umqebeqebe labavinika awichazi kambe exosa ngabe uthi ngiyaphila khona le yandele yangazi uyakwazi ngisho
ndithi ndingumqabaqabo kweqhabu levinika
nazoke yona impela ngifunayo
mandibulise babkhomo amaqabani nabo abatata balapha kwipanel
yes baba
ndicela andinamba yam usenayo le ka-Vodacom
WhatsApp ngoba enibaningi angisakhumbula enibaningi ngisevile inamba WhatsApp
all right bendifuna into yokubana nam undithele thuphe kwelicala lama-party agent
yes baba
you know why apha eMatatiyela ne uyakhumbula ngiseMatatiyela
yes
apha eMatatiyela xa ndijonga sinabantu abaninzi abasuka le kwagogo kulo mcimbi apha kwi-MK and abanye babo ngabantu endibaziyo i-track record yabo uba you see there was the year apho kuye kwaqala I've never voted for i-ANC mina ngaphandle ngela xesha lika 1994 so I've been underground for a long time ndijongile izinto I was working for the South African Army ndaphuma so ndathi uphuma kwami xa kuvela laa nto ye-UDM iphuma ndaphuma nayo I've noticed there was a guy owayedeployiwe kwi-region yethu apha e-Eastern Cape edeploy i-ANC kwathi xa kuvela i-EFF this guy bathathu apha e-Eastern Cape i-deployees zakwagogo. They are good ukungena per party evela yapha Eastern Cape and then by destroy. There are some members apha kwi-region ye-Alfred Nzo naseJoqabi nangapha eMathole. There are guys ezaziwayo ezispecial ezaziwa ngoba zingamaxoki bangena ngapha xa kufonywa leni party bangene ngapha xa kufonywa leni party bangene ngapha. You know what they doing? Bathi xa bengene kule party bayithathe infiltrate everything in this party. Then kuthi xa sekuzawusondela iintsuku zovoto mhlambe xa kushiyeke a week before kuvotwe bavele kuma-TV bekhulula izikipa umzekelo banxiba isikipa somkhonto xa sekuzovotwa xa kushiyeka iveki kube babe kweli qela likhulula izikipa zilahlwe phantsi ezomkhonto bathi babuyela back. So kukho abantu abanjalo apha. We dealing with those people and abantu baseMatatiyela bangamaxoki abantanyana and they don't combine abakwazi ukuyimela into ngabantu abangena mqolo. You hear what I'm saying? Right now there's nearly been a conflict of ukuthi there were guys and I understand there were guys bebesuka eKZN bezo campaigner kwenye lali kuthiwa kwaMzongwana. So those guys ke kwakho nje ingqabangqaba uba why bezo campaigner badlule kubani. I said no, why they have to rule to someone because siya campaigner sonke apha. Awunawubuza member if
uyingani makuza abantu bezo campaign.
Ndithi awuvuyi ngani xa uzabantu bezo campaigner because yonke lento benzela thina. Or nina nizele izikhundla na apha into enizele. Andithi everybody is fighting into okubana umkhonto wesizwe win. Nina nifunani? Nifuna izikhundla. Ucinga uba xa yewa campaigner kwaMzongwana uzokuthathela isikhundla esiphi? So we got those people apparently ndikwa ward 1 apha eAlfred Nzo.